How to pack like a pro for travel. Packing for a trip can be a real challenge. Have you ever found yourself struggling to close your suitcase or realizing you forgot something important? Don't worry. In today's video, we'll show you how to pack like a pro, making your travel easier and stress-free. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway, a business trip, or a long vacation, these tips will help you pack efficiently and save time. 1. Choosing the right luggage. Start by picking the right bag for your trip. If it's a short journey, a carry-on is ideal as it saves you from checked baggage fees and long waits at the baggage claim. For longer trips, a larger suitcase may be necessary. Look for a lightweight, durable suitcase with smooth wheels and multiple compartments to keep things organized. Consider a backpack for adventure trips or a duffel bag for flexibility. Having the right luggage can make all the difference in your travel experience. 2. Make a packing list. Before you start packing, make a checklist of what you need. This helps you stay organized and prevents you from overpacking or forgetting essentials. Only pack what you will actually use. Break your list into categories such as clothing, toiletries, electronics, and travel documents. A well-organized list ensures that you don't leave behind anything important and makes packing more systematic. 3. Roll or fold your clothes. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them saves space and reduces wrinkles. If you have bulky items like sweaters, use compression bags to make them compact. This way, you can fit more into your bag. For delicate fabrics that wrinkle easily, folding might be a better option. You can also try bundle wrapping, where clothes are wrapped around the central core to minimize creases. Experiment with different packing methods to see what works best for you. 4. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are a great way to keep your clothes organized. Use different cubes for shirts, pants, and accessories. This makes it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your suitcase. Packing cubes also help you maximize space and keep your bag neat throughout your trip. Some travelers even color code their packing cubes for added convenience. Try using a laundry bag to separate dirty clothes from clean ones. 5. Pack toiletries smartly. Toiletries can take up a lot of space. Use travel-sized bottles for shampoo, lotion, and other liquids. Pack them in a waterproof bag to avoid leaks. Don't forget essentials like a toothbrush, deodorant, and skincare items. If you're staying at a hotel, check if they provide toiletries to save space. Keep in mind that airlines have restrictions on liquid quantities, so make sure your items comply with TSA regulations. 6. Shoes and accessories. Shoes take up space, so bring only a couple of versatile pairs. Wear your heaviest pair while traveling. Use a shoe bag to keep them separate from your clothes. 7. Organizing electronics and cables. Tangled cables are a hassle. Keep chargers, earphones, and adapters in a small pouch for easy access. A power bank is also essential for long trips to keep your devices charged. If you're traveling internationally, don't forget a universal adapter. Label your chargers and cables to avoid confusion, and consider using a cable organizer to keep everything neat and tangle-free. 8. Keep travel documents safe. Always keep important documents like your passport, tickets, and ID in a safe place. A travel organizer can help keep everything in one spot. Also, save digital copies on your phone as a backup. For added security, email yourself copies of essential documents in case you lose your physical copies. 9. Pack a carry-on bag. Your carry-on should have all your in-flight essentials like snacks, a book, headphones, and a travel pillow. Packing a change of clothes in your carry-on is also a good idea in case your checked luggage gets delayed. 10. Leave space for souvenirs. If you plan to bring back souvenirs, leave some extra space in your suitcase. This way, you won't have to struggle to fit everything in when you return. Consider packing a foldable bag or tote in case you need extra room. If you're shopping for delicate items, wrap them in your clothes for added protection. Be mindful of weight limits to avoid extra baggage fees. Bonus packing tips. Layer your outfits to adapt to changing weather conditions. Use a belt to keep collars stiff and in shape. Pack multi-purpose clothing items that can be styled in different ways. Avoid last-minute packing. Give yourself enough time to pack efficiently. Check the weather forecast at your destination before finalizing your packing list. Final travel tips. Now you know the secrets to packing like a pro. Whether it's using packing cubes, rolling clothes, or keeping essentials handy, these tips will make your trip smooth and stress-free. Have an upcoming trip? Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite packing hack? Safe travels, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.